Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how we can install Endpoint Visibility application on Windows Server 2019 Standard Edition or Data Center Edition. So in order to get the exe or the application, you have to navigate to the website netziya.com. You have to click on Get Free Trial. You have to fill up this form. So I'm just gonna fill it up, right? And once this information has been filled up, then you need to select, you will be prompted for an, over here you need to select which module you would like to download the trial for. So it's endpoint visibility, click on free trial, and it's going to send an OTP over an email, your registered email ID that you need to enter it over here and you need to authenticate. Now, before installing or even before getting the endpoint visibility application, there are two dependencies which we need to download and install it on the Windows platform. The first one is the ODBC drivers, and the second one is the Visual C++ redistributable. And just to save on time, I have downloaded everything right here, as you can see this, right? So now let me just initiate the installation. So like I said, the first thing is I need to install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. So I'm just going to double click on it. And just for the records, I have logged in using an administrator credentials. Okay. So I have accepted the license agreement and this dependency is installed. Moving forward, I need to install the ODBC drivers, and this is required if I'm using Microsoft SQL Server connection as a database with this application. So it's very pretty straightforward and it's done. Now this Netziya, it's in zip format, so I need to extract it, and I just did extract it. It's gonna take a minute to extract it. Okay, I'm here and I'm going to install this application now. So the installation is also very straightforward. So let me close the browser as I don't need it. And okay, the first prompt. So you have to accept it and run it anyway. You have to click on it. This is the installation visit. So it's a welcome message, then followed by the license agreement, which we need to accept it. Next, this is the path where your endpoint visibility will be installed. It's nearly 885 megabytes on the disk space. And if you want, you can create a desktop shortcut, click on it and install. Now, during the installation, it is going to prompt you for two additional installation. One is the OpenSSL to take the application communication over an SSL. And the second one is the database. So at this point of time, the application supports three different kinds of database. One is the SQLite, second one is the Microsoft SQL, and the third one is the PostgreSQL. So in this demo, we are going to use SQLite at this point of time. So SQLite database is going to stay on this machine itself. So I'll explain you more once the prompt appears. And at this point of time, I'm waiting for the OpenSSL to get installed. Okay, so it's OpenSSL. I'll accept the agreement in this one as well. This is the default path where the application will be installed. Even if it is installed, I would recommend to install it again and Windows System Directory and install it. So once this is done, you simply have to click on Finish. And now the database will come up. The configuration for the database will come up in a minute. Yeah, there you go. So like I said, this is a demo environment, and in the demo environment, I'll be only focusing on the SQLite. But in case if you have a SQL server, then you have to provide the fully qualified domain name of the SQL server, port, username, password, database name, and your driver. And if it is a PostgreSQL, this is what the information you need to provide it, right? But like I said, this is a demo environment. So, well, in this case, SQLite selected, connect and continue. And this is the path where your database will be configured. Say OK. And within a short time, your installation will be finalized. Okay, I'm pausing up a video till this installation gets completed. Yeah, it just got completed. Okay, so now you have to open up a browser, and here what you need to do is you have to configure localhost. The reason why we are getting this connection is not private error or warning because of the SSL cert, right? So you have to click on advanced, proceed, and this is your application for your endpoint visibility. Now, in this video, I will also be covering an instance for licensing part. So let me get this started. So the default username is Netziya, and the default password is also Netziya. You have to log in. The moment we will log in, it will prompt to change the password from default to the customized. And once we are done with this, it will bring us to the to this page wherein all the tools, capabilities, and informations are being displayed, right? So I'm quickly going to run through all these pages, right? It's Certion, Webion, and utility tools are embedded into this endpoint visibility. So I'm just going to say get started. And after getting started, it is going to prompt us for the license. So a license is very intuitive in here. You have to select the standard endpoint visibility, and you have three different products. I'll give the license for all three of them. So it's endpoint visibility, and you have to keep your email ID, right, for the communication purpose. But for us, it is like support@netziya.com. Okay. So after this, when you have clicked onto this, a file would have been downloaded. This is the file which you need to send it to us to help you up with the license. I already have the license with me. So I'm just going to click on like upload, right? And the license key, let me just find the license key. Yeah, this is the license key, which I have it, and the hash, which is very, very important. Let me just copy the hash from my other machine to this one, and we can license this too. Yeah. All right. So not this from here, click here and download and make it like all files. And this is the license. And I would say submit. And you would say this, oh, something has changed. Provided license key does not match. I'm pausing the video to get the right license. All right, so I just got the file and I tried uploading it and the license just got activated. So it is right in front of you. And once the license is successfully completed, it is going to prompt me to create a user account, and it is mandate. It is really mandate. So, well, in this case, I'm just going to create it from my own self, support@netziya.com. Country code is this, and I'm not gonna enter my anything. So So once you have done this, then it will help you to create your account. So first account is the software account, and this account is an admin account. You can set your security questions, right? So what is your official name of your department? It is IT services. And what is your organization start date? It is 2025 or 24, whatever numbers that you would like to keep it. Submit, and your account just got created and you would be logged out, and then you can log in using your newly created admin account. So it's Ibrahim. There you go. So the first page is the home page, right? And you can have all your information right in there. Okay, thank you very much for having me here, walking you through the installation video for endpoint visibility from Netziya. Stay tuned for the next video for adding up the organizations, site, and subnets, and exploring the 5 engines which you would not find it anywhere. So stay with us. Thank you very much.